23:59. 1 minute.
ลุกแล้วครับพี่ทิชาหมดลุกแล้วนะฮะอีกเพียงแค่8 7 6 5 4 3 2
Happy New Year! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's New Year's Eve. It's 8:45 here in Pattaya. We're walking down Cybercow. We have a few drinks. We're going to then go to make our way down Soi 7 towards Beach Road, where we're going to film the fireworks. Yeah, it's absolutely buzzing around here. There's so many people walking around. Bars are full, they've all got the balloons up. There's girls here, look. There's girls over there. Really busy. New Year's Eve, and look at how loud it is, wow. Crazy, look. There you go. This is how they celebrate, and it ain't even their New Year. This is how it goes off, New Year's Eve.
You want to go down here?
We're now going up to OK Metro. We'll have a drink somewhere near. I'm with the boys, with Rich here and Uncle Mitch. It's called Nasty Boy in OK Metro. Just having a few warm-up drinks on the Janks. Like I said, it's about just turned 9 o'clock, so 3 hours to go. So plenty of time. We should be pretty on the way by midnight. See you in a bit. Just left OK Metro. It's looking busy here as well. Town is really busy tonight. Wow, really busy. You go for you want to go and pool it with? I don't think I've ever seen Tree Town this busy, Mitch. Huh? Fucking shit, that was. Hold that. We're in Tree Town, this is the party bar. Okay, we're just leaving Tree Town. It's absolutely ram. New Year's Eve. It's 10 PM now. We're going into midnight. Free food, look. Lots of places putting free food on for everybody. Buy a drink, you can eat for free. Look up there. Prawns and stuff. Just entering Soy 7. Oh! Whoop! I don't know if you saw that, bloke dropped his drink and a scooter ran over it. Soy 8 and Soy 7 is looking good, looking really busy. So we're reaching the end of Soy 7. It is absolutely busiest I've seen this in probably 15 years, Soy 7. Apart from, mate, well, even business, maybe Songkran. But it is rammed down here. Even these bars that are usually quiet are really busy. Wow, sweating, it's hot. Okay, here we go, we're on actual beach road now. Look at this. I know you shouldn't have to say it, but make sure when you come down here that you've got all your valuables zipped up, and if you've got a bag like me, it's at the front. Because unfortunately, there are one or two people here that will try and break the law. รับทุกคนครับวันนี้ก็ต้องจ๋าวันนี้เอาไปดิเอาให้ดังที่สุดเลยPattaya Beach. There you go. Pattaya Beach, New Year's Eve, 10:35. Yeah, hour and a half to go to the fireworks. One hour to go before 12 o'clock, before 2026. So it's 11:40, New Year's Eve here in Pattaya, 2025. In 20 minutes it's going to be 2026. We're going to get out there and try and film the fireworks here in a minute. Mayhem in here, the Red Cat Bar, Beach Road. 23:59, 1 minute.
ลุกแล้วครับพี่ทิสาหมดลุกแล้วนะฮะอีกเพียงแค่8 7 6 5 4 3 2
Happy New Year! massive. 2026, baby. In Pattaya. Best place in the world. I just said to Rich, I says, I'm drunk. It's difficult to do these videos when you're drunk. You know what I mean? You don't know what to say, you're slurring your words. Right, we've just come out of Red Cat Bar. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm walking down Beach Road. It's absolute chaos. I'm heading to Walking Street, right? I'm going to finish the night off there. I don't know where I'm going to be, what time I'm going to get back, but it's going to be a late one. Happy New Year once again. Thanks to all the new subscribers.
Happy New Year to everybody.
Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to everybody that's commented, that's liked the video, the videos. Just share it. Get more people involved in this channel. I come here twice a year. Let me know if you want any videos or you want to see anything. I always answer all your comments. Thanks a lot. Happy New Year to everybody. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. See ya.